Good morning, pregame crew. How are you? It is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, September 3rd, 6:23 a.m. Mountain Time, 8:23 a.m. Eastern Time. Good morning. I just updated the title to reflect Tuesday because God does it feel like a Monday, but it's Tuesday. Audio visual check, please. Hey, Shake and Bake, Wave. Hey, Rachel. Anderson, Topher. Hey, K Mac. Paul, thanks for that. Space Ball, Paula. Tess, Alice, success. Yes, it's a great morning. We're alive. Have safe travels, Shake and Bake. Okay, IBM. Hey, Dollar Tree Farmer. Hey, Locke, Dr. Fell. Hey, Hector. Hey, Lesmar. I am as in Blue Sky Breakout. IBM as in Blue Sky Breakout. Already. Weekly cup and handle confirmed. I would buy back burners. If I wanted to play IBM, this is what I would do. I'd turn my phone volume off, and then I would do tell me when the hourly RSI gets oversold. And on dips, I would buy it. Yes, new all-time high. Beautiful. I don't like buying breakouts. I like buying pullbacks. Duke. I'm assuming that audiovisual is fine. Oh my. Potential weekly bull flag. Oh wow. Aw. My word, this is a beautiful chart. I normally don't buy utilities, but All right, you win. Who wins? K-Mac, you win. Best chart I've looked at all morning, and I've looked at about 300 charts. Yeah, above 114. That's a beautiful, beautiful bullish chart. I can't say anything negative about it. Let's look at them. Yeah, there's nothing. It's gorgeous. Hey, Bull Strike Cheetah. Rachel, I'm not very familiar with the fundamentals of water and power feeding AI computers. I have no idea. I mean, CCJ has been a name that's been in flux the last, I would say, month. We have a lot of people, well, more than last month. We have a lot of people that play this. On the weekly, we're looking for a lower high, and it was set. We have a 4-hour downtrend. Now, the question is, can we get a weekly higher low compared to 35.43? This is from what I understand about the fundamentals, so I'm just giving you that disclaimer because I don't know a ton. From what I know, this is one of the major players. Thanks, Wave. RR. When I hear RR, I think of Range Resources every time. I think we talked about this last week. RR, if you're a bull, you're hoping this is an hourly falling wedge. Looking for a daily higher low compared to $1.06. It's not a bad setup. At the daily 50 MA, volume is okay. Volume was really low on Friday. But yeah, this isn't bad. Looking for the daily high or low at the daily 50 MA, daily gap filled. You have another gap down here at 95 cents with a potential hourly falling wedge. Not bad. IGV. This is an ETF for expanded text software. Never heard of it. Looks like a broadening formation. Higher highs without follow through, lower lows without follow through. Volume is good. Monthly candle long, nice lower wick of bulls buying the dip. Daily lower low. Or hourly lower low, I should say. We lost the support of 86.19. I would be looking to top fish that $87. Doesn't look bad. All right, it's 6:30. Let's get the show on the road. Good morning. This is who I am. I'm Chart Gal Lori. I'm part of the Chart Guys community, and we teach technical analysis. And what I do here every morning is I show you the market environment dossier. This is just a table where I wake up in the morning, all the puzzle pieces are thrown on the floor, and I pick them all up and put them together with correlations. And here are things that I look at that are, I would say, more important than others. It doesn't mean it's the be all end all, and it's somewhat subjective. I'm just trying to make it a little more objective so I can communicate a little more easily. I can communicate easier to you. It's probably not the right, more accurately. I don't know what the word is. It's a Tuesday morning and we had a holiday and LSU lost. So there's my excuse for the week. I went to Vegas this weekend and watched my team lose, sitting by my son. It was painful, absolutely painful. All right, so overall, we're looking more bearish than bullish this morning. As far as the economic calendar today, we have some after market open news at 9:45 and then at 10 a.m. S&P Global U.S. Manufacturing PMI and then ISM PMI at 10 a.m. If you want to give me a follow on X at Chart Gal Lori, that would be lovely. Let's do our favorite thing. Let's look at charts. So on ES, daily 5670 it's just the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tests of 5, 6, 7, 0 that we can't get through. So until bulls can get through that, bears are winning. And right now they have a 30-minute bear flag. We can even tighten that up on the hourly bear flag now. Last time I looked at it was a 30-minute. We have an hourly inside bars, potential bear flag. On a push up, we're looking for an hourly lower high. Right now, it's lined up pretty bearish. NQ, same thing. Looking for an hourly lower high compared to 19644.75. Daily 50 MA is overhead. The daily 50 MA is the issue for the market, in my opinion, for technology. That's the overall overarching issue. Hey, Jules. Hey, Bill. You're welcome. You're welcome. RTY, double daily inside bars. Potential hourly bear flag, just like NASDAQ and ES, and we're looking for those lower highs on a bounce. This may be the better setup for bears if you're looking for a top fish. It's definitely weaker than of the Fab 4 indices. The Dow, double daily inside bars. Got a ways to go before we break it bearish here at 41231. But man, that 4-hour and hourly is bearish. VIX has a pep in its step because the market is weak. We have a big push up. We're looking for a 4-hour high or low on a pullback. We're getting stuck underneath the daily 50 MA, looking for a daily low or high. So this is the chart that's making me look for bulls to step up. Bulls as in the market bulls. For us to reject here at the daily 50 MA and pull back. And could that help the market? Hang Seng was red overnight. DAX is currently red at 0.30. Bitcoin is slightly green. Rejecting at the daily EMAs. 4-hour uptrend. Hourly downtrend. Bitcoin is not doing a whole lot right now. It's very flat. It may show as green, but I would say it's flat right now. Whoa, what was that? Just pushed up in a big way. "15-minute inverse head and shoulders confirmed." Well, that looks good. We are over that resistance now. 4-hour lower high possible compared to 59825, but I would say the bulls are showing some resilience right now, where Ethereum not so much. Daily below the 12 EMA. Hourly, we're looking for a lower high compared to 2525. It just doesn't look as strong as Bitcoin. I would keep it on reverse back burner until it stops working. Gonna go out of order because, you know, I got friends in the room. Daily inside bar on BWXT, Rachel. I'd be looking for a pullback buy to the 12 EMA around $98. Because a weekly lower high is the more likely scenario, so I'd be looking for a weekly high or low for the buy. All right, the dollar. The dollar potential weekly bear flag, which is good for the market. Daily, we're looking for a lower high, which is good for the market. 4-hour has no quit in it yet. We need the dollar to sit down for the market. If you could hit that like button, that would help me tremendously. Let me take a sip of my coffee. Good morning, Noah. Gold had a weak overnight session with dollar strength. It's trying to fight back right now, but I wouldn't say that it's winning. The dollar is definitely winning. We need the dollar to sit down to help gold find its weekly high or low. And is this a weekly bull flag is the question. If dollar is a weekly bear flag and that gets confirmed, then this is potential weekly bull flag. I love how these inverse correlations really match up right now. So let me go back. If one breaks first, so if gold breaks bull first or dollar breaks bear first, it gives you a clue for the other one for a trade. Oil is weak. We are looking for a potential weekly high or low as the monthly tightens up. Man, it got weak quick. Super quick. You're welcome, Rachel. Okay, honesty. I got DoorDash McDonald's this morning and I'm freaking loving this sugar-free vanilla latte. If the AC gets too loud, let me know. 4-hour downtrend on oil. Bears are looking to short overbought conditions on shorter term time frames, reverse back burner with this type of weakness. So you're looking for 15-minute overbought conditions to short. And I would do it until it stops working with this weakness. NG is green, but it looks like a 15-minute bear flag with high elevated bear volume, which normally happens in the morning. Looking for a 15-minute lower high, looking for a daily lower high. Looking for a weekly lower high. It is weak. Apple. So on Apple, we're holding the 12 EMA here at 226.12. Looking for the daily higher low compared to 223.89. And what bulls would like to see is a hold of Friday's low. All my days are mixed up because I was off 3 days. So we're looking for a potential hold of Friday's low. And that would mean no harm, no foul. If we lose Friday's low, 22568 would be the next support. Hey, KK. Amazon, what a great day on Friday that it had. And we're opening up a little stronger than its cousins. So I'm not saying that it's like blowing through Friday's high, no. But it is opening up a little bit stronger. So I would say Amazon is definitely standing out with some strength. Nvidia is gapping down. That's the opposite of strength. We're below the daily 50 EMA. We have a daily inside bar on Friday. Super weak. That looks like a bear flag. And the hourly EMAs are keeping price contained. Nvidia doesn't look good right now. Tesla is one of the few names that's gapping up on Model Y news for Asia that they will start offering a third row seat option. So I would look for a pullback buy on Tesla or back burner on Tesla. Gap rules apply as long as 214.57 is holding. I would be looking bullish. Larger term time frames. On the daily, we're breaking bull over this daily inside bar, but we do have the daily 50 EMA overhead at 22073. I'm just going to make myself a note there. I like it bullish today, but it may not get past that daily 50 EMA on the first try. That would be the first test since it got over it. All right, a few names I'm looking at for Queen of the Mountain trades. They're not my absolute favorite setups I've ever seen, but Google is weak. I would be looking for reverse back burners to short, looking for pop-ups to short because of its weakness. Potential weekly bear flag. So on Google, potential weekly bear flag, it does not look good. So I would look for bounces to short until bulls prove otherwise. Russell. The hourly chart. Come on. We're looking for a lower high compared to Friday's high. So I'd be looking for a short compared to 220.50. This looks like a bear flag. Super weak looking in pre-market. X. I would be watching this one for a reverse back burner. So I'm trying to say her name right. Kamala Harris came out, Vice President Kamala Harris came out this weekend and said she would block the X deal and support Biden on saying that it cannot be foreign owned, the steel company. And Trump has already said that. So that's both presidential candidates saying they would block that deal. So we were pulling down hard this morning and now we're bouncing. I would look for overbought conditions to short. Yeah, I would look for 15-minute overbought conditions to short reverse back burner. XLF, I'd be watching this daily stair step. The low of Friday, 45.23. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 candles in this daily stair step, and I wouldn't be looking for a home run, but I would be looking for a scalp to the downside if we lose this 45.23. So those are all my Queen of the Mountain trades. Google, IWM, Tesla, X, and XLF. Hey, Bob, if you want to Google YouTube Chart Guys back burner, it will pull up what our back burner rules are. It's basically the loss of The stair step. No, excuse me, that's the stair step. But the back burner rules are if you have this extended move up and then you pull back on a 5-minute or 15-minute oversold conditions after a big bull move, especially on a blue sky breakout like XLF, that would be back burner. Hey, Danny. See if I could find a back burner. Another example of an outsized move. MDB, did they have earnings on Friday? MDB, that would be a perfect example of a back burner. You have an outsized move. They had earnings on Thursday after hours, and they were up 18% on Friday. So we would be looking for a 5-minute oversold on MDB. That's a perfect example of a back burner trade. Did we get the 5-minute oversold on Friday? Yeah, so the 15-minute oversold would be the next one. Again, look up back burner on TCG. So now the next trade on MDB would be 15-minute oversold. XLC got a new all-time high last week. We're getting higher highs without a ton of follow through, but I called it the wingman on this weekend's videos for members only. I called it the wingman. Sometimes the market is lifting up and SMH isn't really lifting up and QQQ is kind of flat, and then we'll find XLC is running. So I find it to be the wingman of the market. It's very strong, long lower wick of bulls buying the dip on Friday. We're struggling here at the hourly 50 MA. Bears will be looking for a 4-hour lower high compared to 87.81. Panama Highlands. That sounds beautiful. SoFi, sure for you, Duke. Daily inside bar. We had a weekly bull break last week. We have enough room for a weekly higher low. We have earnings in October. We have enough room for a daily higher low and a pullback. Right now, hourly EQ. It's all about 781 holding. If we can break 804, that is bullish. LAC. LAC has been weak. Daily downtrend, we rejected at the 50 MA. Weekly, we rejected at the 12 EMA. Can we get a weekly higher low compared to 202? Is the question. 4-hour support, 241. I would keep this one on reverse back burner until it stops working. Let's go look at it and I'll show you. 15-minute overbought conditions have been ideal conditions to short. Until that stops working, I'd keep doing it. Bulls don't have control of that chart. And what a great question to ask yourself. Who has control of this chart? And stay with that trend. I don't know if the MSOS news is because of Harris's comments this weekend with Trump comments. I don't know. We do have some bullish divergence wave. that I like. And I don't know if this news is related to Vice President Harris's comments this weekend. I was thinking, man, this is a for sure short this morning on this gap up. And then I'm like, wait, this could be news related with her comments this weekend. So I kind of backed off that idea of putting it as a Queen of the Mountain. Crisp. Crisp looks like a weekly bear flag. Monthly downtrend. $47 key support from Friday, and then $46.86. Bulls have to prove something. They're proving nothing so far. All right, that's it for me. I'm going to go boot up the stream for TCG members, and I'll go live and take you through the market open and through data. And let's go get it done. All right, y'all have a great day and use stop losses.